Hi guys, this demo will show you on how to reverse video on TikTok. Download and install the app from the App Store or Google Play Store, then launch it on your phone afterwards. Tap the plus sign icon on the screen and then choose a video file from your phone and then hit the next button. From here, tap the effects icon and then select the reverse button to reverse your TikTok video. Lastly, hit the next button to share the video on your TikTok. And that is the simplest way to reverse a video on TikTok. Thank you guys for watching!